Hi guys, it's QC Chrissy. So this isn't really a 2-minute tip, it's more of a DIY, and it's my pantry, finally. So my pantry has been a little bit of a mess. I know the shelves don't look bad, but underneath I've got boxes and they've got the bags in there, and I have all that wall space and just can't utilize it the way I want it to. And then it has, that regular old door on it. And I just wanted to change all that out. So I measured it and I actually found a shelf that would fit in that white empty space perfectly. So I took that little backing off, as you saw, and I painted this white. And I shopped around, got a lot of things from Walmart and Amazon. And this is the finished product. Yes. I will leave all of the details down below. But I'm really happy with the finished product. And as you see, I got my new door. I picked this up from Home Depot. So yes, I'm so proud. And I got a motion light because there was no light in there whatsoever. And that just made such a big difference. And if there's anything else that I would suggest is when you have things like rice or anything out the pack, make sure you cut out the instructions and tape them to the back. That makes a big help, especially if you have no idea how to make something. There's the Bisquick. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video.